We are proceeding to our next participant for his presentation. So I invite Master Vivek Ranjan Sahu of class 10, and his topic is Say No to Drugs.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible and
Yes,
visible too?
yes, Vivek, you're audible.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm sharing the screen. A warm and cheerful morning to one and all present over here in this virtual webinar. Respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Shukla Chakrabarti, Dr. Nandan Mishra Sir, and Captain Shivkumar Pradhan Sir, teachers, friends, and all the YouTube viewers. I am Vivek Ranjan Sahu, and it's my privilege to speak on today's burning issue on the topic Say No to Drugs. Drugs Drugs are the chemicals that change the way a person's body or mind works. Drugs are depressants that slow down the functions of the central nervous system. When a person is addicted to a drug, the drug becomes so important that the person cannot live without it. Before me, I start, I would like to tell you one story of a boy who was excellent in studies throughout his school years, had always been a topper and was good at football too. When he was 15 and in junior college, unknowingly he made friendship with a bad friend from the same college who was into substance abuse. Soon he was addicted to. Though he was from a well-to-do family, when he started falling short of money to buy marijuana, he started stealing money to feed his addiction. Later, he was not only taking drugs but also selling them to his college friends. 6 years ago, he was hospitalized at a rehabilitation center. Curiosity, kick, and fun. Some of the factors that pull youths into their first time. By the time they discover the trap they have gotten into, which may take a few months to several years, it's too late. While college authorities may deny, drug abuse is gradually gripping city students. City-based rehabilitation centers and counselors unanimously say that the youth have moved on from charas ganja and are abusing all kinds of drugs. While there is hope at the end of the tunnel, the recovery is slow and there are possibilities of a relapse too in some cases. For 100 years, the so-called war on drugs has waged. Thousands and thousands of people have lost their life, few of that number being actual addicts. Billions have been spent, yet the rates of addiction and drug sales are going nowhere but up. Why? Every day in India, another loved one of an addict find themselves asking the same question. Why? It is the same question asked by the world-renowned author of the book Chasing the Scream, Johann Hari, when she set out her eye-opening 30,000-mile journey around the globe to find the answer. What she found was astonishing. Everything that the society has been taught, everything that people think and they know, and everything that is believed about the war on drugs, as well as addiction, is wrong. Drugs are common due to many factors such as bad friends, stress, peer pressure, curiosity, failure, depression, unemployment, addiction, etc. In India too, more than 90% of people who have an addiction started to drink alcohol or use drugs before they were 18 years old. India reports almost 2.3 crore opioid users in 2018, which was a five-fold jump in 14 years. The use of illegal cannabis in India is much lower than the global average, less than one-third. However, opiate users is 3 times higher than the worldwide average. The AIMS survey shows that in 2018, nearly 2.1% of the population had used opioids. According to UNODC, India accounts for 10% of the total pharmaceuticals produced in the world. The study also states that 88% of the children consumed drugs due to peer pressure. The alarming spike in the number of people using prescription drug cocktails, which are up to 10 times cheaper and often easily available at neighborhood chemists. According to UN report, 1 million heroin addicts are registered in India, and unofficially, there are as many as 5 millions. Now we move on to Odisha. Odisha apparently has a growing number of drug addicts. In the state, 40% kids use inhalants and less than 15% use heroin. Odisha has the second highest number of integrated rehabilitation center for addicts after Maharashtra. Around 13% school and college students are on drugs addiction. Lariapalli, a small tribal village in Odisha, which was one had an addiction rate of 90%, totally received a national award for outstanding services in the field of prevention of alcoholism and substance abuse 2018. During the last 3 years, this Gram Panchayat that used to consume 2.4 quintals of alcohol per day now consumes 0 units of alcohol. Typically, men are more likely to abuse illicit drugs and alcohol. About 11.5% of males over 12 have an substance use disorder compared to 6.4% of females. Girls between the age of 12 and 17 are more likely to misuse all types of prescription opioids and stimulants than boys of the same age. Approximately 20% of men have an alcohol use disorder compared to women between 7% and 12%. It not only has loss of coordination, slowed reflexes, poor judgment, or memory loss, but it can have fatal health and mental issues in the body also. In India, many states have been reported to have most cases, but isn't that a need for change? According to the World Drug Report, as the theme of 2021 suggests, that shared drug facts on drug to save lives. The WHO has also estimated some information that is listed in the following slides. Drug addiction is a complex but treatable disease. An effective way to get rid of drugs is to have good companions, involvement in games and social activities, reading books, etc. Drug abuse is a growing problem, especially among the youth. There are many reasons that led to this problem, and the impact it has extremely damaging. It is essential to spread awareness about the negative repercussions of drugs to discourage their use. There is a need to organize awareness program in educational institutions. Protecting children from drug abuse has to be considered the most essential and urgent need for creating a world fit for children. Hence, let us all pledge to abstain from the use of drugs and save the younger generation from the clutches of the drug menace. Thank you very much.
Vivek, very wonderfully presented. I really appreciate your presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek, for your thought-provoking presentation. To highlight the importance of the day, let's hear a song on Say No to Drugs and Yes to Life.